Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unboxing a new subscription box from Planything. This is going to be available to purchase today, starting now. So definitely check it out. These are always fun to receive. I always like getting like little sub boxes. They're like little presents that come to you throughout the year. So yeah, especially with this cute packaging. So we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna share all the items that come in here and then probably do a plan with me featuring these items. All right, so again, you get a cute little packaged box here. Well, it's not really a box, but you know, it's cute packaging. And we have a few items in here. Ooh. All right, so washi, which I love Planything washi. It's like the perfect like neutral patterned and then colorful kind of washi. Ooh, this is a new pattern. Okay, so we have 4 types of washi here, and then I'll remove the packaging so you can see a little better without the glare. We have a cute little notepad, and it's double-sided. It's got dotted lines here. So you got the fall theme for like little to-do lists. These are always nice to have right on the side to just jot down notes. So we have a nice fall theme one. Ooh, we have, oh my goodness, I love this. This is super adorable with all the little kitties. Let me open this up. So we got some paper here. How adorable is that? I love the colors. I love all the images, the cute little kitties. I love cats. So love this. Super adorable. Here's the back side with the balloons that look like little, they kind of look like cake pops. Super cute. Then we have this one, which is just pumpkins and leaves. And then you got that fun pattern here, which the washi is like that pattern. Ooh, this one's pretty. This would be pretty for like a cover. If you have Planything's planner, which I believe is, oh geez, I might be wrong on this. Is it A5? I think it's an A5 planner. You can, you know, punch this and put it in your planner. I like to use these to like put in my planner, which you could actually do this in the classic planner, just punch it and then, you know, put it in your classic planner, and then maybe put like some fall photos, like fall memory keeping. This is like a nice front page for that. So that's really pretty. So you get 3 sheets of double-sided paper that's fall and Halloween themed, and then we have a sticker book. It's got the kitties in it. Okay, I guess I'm gonna flip through this first, but then I'll go through the washi last. Usually I go through the sticker book last, but I'm doing it a little different. So let me move my desk up a little bit so you can see this a little better. This one is called Autumn Days, and it is a 20-page sticker book. Super adorable, I already can tell. All right, so we have some pumpkin houses. And these are all clear stickers. You get 2 sheets of the pumpkin houses. You have some really nice, it keeps falling, fall leaves here. I'm having like a little technical difficulties. Now I'm like really close to my camera, and I probably shouldn't have pulled it up that high, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. All right, so pumpkins. Then we have the cozy fall sweaters. I love a good cozy sweater. And then boxes, bullet points, and circle stickers in all the fall colors. Ooh, these are really pretty florals, the neutral tones on these. Those are nice. Then you have some of the like bouquet looking ones. Oh my goodness, the kitty cats. So having like a Halloween party with the cats. That's super adorable. So cute. And then you have the boxes. Okay, then we have some quotes. Autumn leaves, pumpkin please, happy harvest, I love fall most of all, fall is proof that change is beautiful. So you get 2 sheets like that, and these are all clear stickers. Okay, so that was Autumn Days. That is the 20-page sticker book that comes in this little sub box. So just a little heads up, I feel like these tend to, especially seasonal stuff, tends to sell out pretty quick, especially for Planything. The last sub box that I unboxed, it was like a seaside one. It was so pretty. It was like beachy themed, and I just recently used that in my planner spread for last week. That sold out very fast. So yeah, definitely don't sit on this if you want this book, because I feel like seasonal stuff always goes really quick. So I'm gonna go through the washi Actually, you can kind of see it here. I'm gonna be a little lazy. I'm like running behind on filming. Here's the washi. You can actually kind of see it. I don't know. You know what? I'm not gonna be lazy. I'm just gonna open it. It's just I really don't like opening these things. This plasticky stuff around it is always such a pain, but we're gonna open it because you can see it a little bit better. Because this one has a nice pattern on it, which hopefully you can see. Yeah, I think it's focusing. But yeah, it's got a nice different pattern than I've seen Planything have. And then this one's just a stripe one, which is brown and white. So perfect for fall. Sorry, I think I'll unwrap this. All right, so you got brown and white. It's a nice like chocolate brown. Then we have a orangey grid. Again, perfect fall colors here. And then last but not least, of course, is open. I guess that's not my favorite, pulling this plastic stuff off. Okay, got it. We have leaves. Just a pattern of leaves. That one's really pretty too. All right, so those are all the items that release in this sub box. Again, they tend to go quick, so definitely get on that if you are interested in having these items in your planner collection. What I'm going to do now though is I'm going to do just a really quick plan with me featuring these items, probably just the sticker book and maybe like one of these washies. But yeah, that's going to be next. But if you're not interested in watching that and you just want to, you know, go straight to the website and start shopping, I have my affiliate link down in the description, which will lead you to the site. And then I also have a discount code for 10% off. So definitely use somebody's code. There's a few other affiliates out there that are sharing stuff. So yeah, just make sure you use a code because you get a little discount off of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just do a plan with me now. I just love all of these like fall colors. They're just the best. They're the best. They're best. I can't wait for it actually to feel like fall. All right, so I'm gonna do some little mini pages here with this book. And I think, what should I do? Definitely not gonna use the cat. Do I want to use the cats? I kind of want to be selfish and save the cats for me, but you know what? I'm gonna use the cats because the good thing about this book, one of the good things about this book, is there are 2 pages of each sticker sheet, so I still have a sticker sheet to use if I use this. So I'm just gonna do that because I think it's the cutest. It's super cute. So I'm gonna go with that and just decorate this spread with some cute little cats. Okay, so I'm gonna use some tweezers. Let's stick some kitty cats around the spread. Huh? See how cute it is? Super adorable. We'll stick a boo. I got Boo there, and then I like the flying kitty cats. I think those are fun. I guess I can use, no, I'm gonna use the orangey one. I have purple like washi from Planything that I could use, but I want to use the items from this box because if you get this box, then you know, some people obviously can't, they're not getting every single product, so they might not have this. I like to at least just show a plan with me with these items. Yeah, orange. Oh, let me get my little trimmer. Okay, and I can stick a cat here. I feel like putting the little sleepy cat. Yeah. The sleepy kitty here. Just hanging out there. Let me do a little white out here. A little white out here. And then I think I want a pumpkin down here. And I feel like I need purple. It's very, very orangey, so I definitely need purple on the page. Okay, so I have a box here. But. I'll just put it here. Oops, is that crooked? Yeah, it is. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, and then I think I could put these little like page flags or banner. This banner. Okay, maybe I won't fit there. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here on this side. And I could put the balloons. Got some balloons on the page. Okay, that side looks cute. I think that side looks pretty good. Okay. Oh, actually, let me just do a little bit more washi up here. Oops, I ripped it on accident. Okay, let me try that again. A little bit there. Okay, this side, I'm gonna do washi. I'm gonna do it a little different. So we'll put some here. And here. Okay. And then I get some boxes down. For sure, orange. Lots of orange. Let's put that in here. And then I got black. Oh, I got these. I never know how to use these, so I'm gonna try to figure this out. Like, how should I use these stickers? Let's put that here. Let's see. How should I use this? You know what, I'm gonna move this. So I don't want like orange on the same side. So we're gonna put this here, put this here. It kind of gets purple on that side. I don't know, those are hard to use. I don't really know how to use those, to be honest. Put that there. Okay, let me get some of the kitty cats. Oh, definitely the one flying with the balloons. That's funny. Here we go. We'll put him here. Oh, that's perfect. Goes around the date and everything, so that's good. And then I got this orange little kitty cat here. I think I want to put an orange down here because I have orange up there. So we'll put him down here, and it's still room to write. And then I have this big one. I think it might be too big. Let's see. Kind of want to put him over here. Okay, let me move this. Put him down first so he's on the page, and then I can put the box down. You know what, we're gonna just move this box down here. Okay, and then I do have bullet points, so I'm just gonna add a couple bullet points. This will help to get this purple around the spread a little bit more, because I want more purple over here. Put a couple on some boxes that really don't have anything like functional wise. So 2 there, and then 2. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little spread, and I think this is super adorable. Yeah, it's super cute. Came out really nice and very quick. And then I want to see the quotes. I think the quotes might be too big. Yeah, they're too big. That's okay. I think that's pretty good spread for that quick. That like quick little spread I was able to whip up, thankfully, because there are functional sticker books. There are like little quotes. There's decorative elements. There's good washi, which is nice. So yeah, really cute box, really fun. I'm super excited again for fall, for Halloween, for all those vibes to be back in our life. And this one definitely is a really cute box to get. So if you're interested in getting it, again, I'll have that linked. Planything is linked down in my description. Definitely use that code. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching as I unboxed and did a little plan with me, flipped through all of these items. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.